I've been in the legal industry now for about 6 years, going on 7. I feel like a granny when I say that. And I first started in commercial litigation. It definitely appealed to my competitive side, for sure, and I think that's why I was drawn to it. But the reality was that it was a lot more regimented than I thought it was going to be, or at least more than I imagined it would be. I think maybe if I stayed in the litigation side and I'd followed more of a passion for criminal law, which I really had, I think I would have stuck with it. Or maybe I would have at least still been in the firm environment. But for how things turned out, I'm really happy with how it went and where I am now. Then fast forward a few grueling years, I panic quit my job and I went on a road trip, which is just classic. And I tried to disconnect, only for one of my friends to, I suppose, headhunt me, is what you could say. I like saying I got headhunted. It makes me feel like I was going somewhere in my career. And he told me that there was a position opening up in their UK office to work in UK immigration law. And to be honest, I wasn't very sure about it. It didn't sound very glamorous. But in 3 months, I would say, I had it pretty waxed. And I was finding so much joy in my work again. And now I'm sitting here on the verge of 3 whole years in immigration law experience, and I still have no refusals. So fingers crossed it stays that way. Who knew that I would be changing lives with immigration law? I definitely didn't see that, but I guess that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm going to say that. I'm changing lives with immigration law. I still do commercial work. I recently did a share option agreement, shareholders agreement, employment contracts, all those glamorous things. To be fair, once you've built up it's intellectual property, I guess, you've got precedents, you know how to adjust them for your clients. They are quick and easy to do. I just don't find them very exciting, but yes, I definitely still do those. My decision to leave that firm environment was kind of motivated by the fact that the legal industry is changing rapidly. I think a lot of us saw family members who had had success with it, saw a lot of money come in and assumed that that would be the same, let's say 30 years later. It simply isn't. Unless you've got the grit to really push to be a partner of one of the big 5 firms, you're overworked, underpaid, and straight up unhappy. And to put it into perspective, of the 6 of us best girlfriends who studied law, not one of us is at a law firm anymore. And that's not for a lack of intellect.